Hello, RealtyLab welcomes you today to 3377 Summer Creek Drive in Turlock. In a very well-kept neighborhood, quiet streets. The end of this street is Four Seasons Park, which itself connects to Turlock Jr High. And you'll notice it is completely quiet. You can even hear the breeze and the birds. The exterior of the home has received a fresh repainting. Off here to the left is the door to the garage. Covered area, which passes through to the front of the house. Stepping in, what we see is a very large open area. Living room and dining area combined. You'll notice all the windows, the light-colored walls, and then the luxury vinyl plank. Easy to clean, easy to maintain, allergen-free. Here we've got a small dining bar area, which passes through to the kitchen, pantry cabinets, and the kitchen area. There's your kitchen sink view. Lots of room for plants. This door was just barely replaced. Stepping out, we've got a concrete patio area. This entire fence has been rebuilt recently. Air conditioning was replaced just a few years ago. You'll notice privacy here. You've got the garage of a one-story home on this side. So really open skies and the natural shade because the backyard is on the north side of the house, causing the home itself to act as shade. So we go down through the hall, we've got a closet. Vivint Smart Home Security. We've got our first bedroom and bathroom. This is the laundry area. Second bedroom here, and then the master or primary bedroom. We'll start first in this first bedroom. Looks out onto the front yard. Second bedroom. You'll notice this LVP flooring runs throughout the house. Here we've got washer and dryer. And here we've got the bathroom. Passing through to the master or primary bedroom. Again, more windows, light colored walls, gives a nice open and airy feel. Passing through to the en-suite bathroom. Up to the left here, we've got the toilet closet. And then here we've got a closet walk-in, quite large. Here we've got a window, and then the shower area. The window doesn't really have any access, provides privacy even so. Here we've got 2 sinks, large vanity area. And that is 3377 Summer Creek Drive in Turlock, California. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a great day.